Hello dear traders, I hope you're good. It's time to focus on markets again. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the weekly MK web summary, which I'm doing for quite a while now, and which is a great way to understand how the causality unfolds, how the smart money algorithms operate, how the dumb money gets hunted. Let's start with the big one, euro dollar on the 28. So you remember markets came down so much, and then we had a bit of shorties coming in, pullback, and as you can see, those shorties were served with a pullback up, boom, and the MTS, the inner range MTS, was taken of those dumb money shorties. That was a nice long trade, and then right after it moved towards the second MTS. So you see, okay, typical 4-hour reversal. Always look also at the higher time frames, even if you're short-term trading. Yeah, price down, low has been retested, short is coming in. Dumb money switch from longies to shorties, so 4-hour reversal up against the shorties. No squeeze in the way anymore. Yeah, very clear case. What happened then? It went all the way up, and then we had this beautiful OST short on the 30-minute chart, together with 4-hour reversal energy down. Again, a dumb money switch from shorties to longies. So beautiful short trade down. Okay, so first a nice up trade, then a nice down trade. Very nice. Almost textbook. And then after that, you saw there was an MTS below the price, some longies, so the price is going to go down and take out this MTS as predicted. Yeah. Boom, going all the way down against the dumb money longies. So pretty textbook behavior there from euro dollar. Pound dollar, let's go through that one. So here we also had a nice MTS run up against the shorties towards the inner range pullback after the price came down so much over weeks. And look at that, I traded here a post stop hunt pullback, a little bit advanced but not difficult. So the target has been cleared. The grail pattern has been completed, so then with an order gap zone below the price, so I took a short trade down, and that one actually worked very nicely. Look at that, boom, exactly to the target and down, filling the order gap zone with some 4-hour reversal energy. Look, whenever you have 4-hour reversal energy combined with a nice situation on the lower time frames, that's a good trade. Yeah, look at that, and with an MTS below the price, and boom, look at that, textbook stop hunt. So that was a beautiful short trade, one of the best of the week. And you see how the causality works. This works like clockwork. Euro pound, it filled the option strike target on the 28. Sorry, actually before. Then we had some shorties coming into the market. The high has been cleared. On the 30th, we had an MTS below the price, but you see nicely how they did a pullback up against the shorties, okay, and cleared the moving average on the day chart. Then went down towards the MTS when some longies came in, and on the first went sideways a little bit before, you know, clearing, and typical for our reversal down also, yeah. Dumb money switch, high has been cleared. No squeeze in the way and down move. So again, you see this combination how good it is, yeah, when you have a 4-hour reversal situation combined with short-term targets. Aussie, so we see the pullback up against the shorty similar to the other dollar pairs. Okay, clearing the high there on the 30th. And then we had a nice MTS below the price. That was a nice short trade towards there, yeah. Kiwi, similar thing. So MTS gets taken above the price, boom. I didn't take the post stop hunt trade, but I realized on the 30th, yeah, Kiwi could do a half on and for our reversal down towards the inner range low. So short trade, yeah, like I wrote at 5 to 9. And this is what happened. There was another great trade this week. Look at that, boom. Beautiful short trade, nice easy pips there. Cool. Dollar cut, I stayed away, but it took this MTS there. Did also some kind of 4-hour reversal, but it wasn't that pronounced. The dumb money was a bit low, so I skipped that one. It's part of the game. Then later the week, it did this up for our reversal up move against the shorties, of course, for our energy plus the shorties, boom, taking out the shorties. Dollar yen, as I predicted, going up against the shorties, going for the LTS. Okay, that has been a theme for a while now. They did that, then they took an MTS but with a pullback, which was a nice short scalp, and then pull back up from that MTS. These things are not random. This is the only place where you see that. Okay, we're not talking about some naked price BS. This is actual market data, and I will make a big video about that topic soon. I'm working on this. Okay. Dollar yen took the upper MTS there, and then took the upper MTS on the first as well. I missed that. I'm sure some of you caught that. Pound yen, beautiful MTS and OST trade down against the shorties at the beginning of the week. Okay, then a beautiful up move towards the upper inner range MTS, boom, taking that nicely against the shorties. Again, for our reversal energy plus lower time frame target, that is again a beautiful combination. We've seen it so many times. And then later the week it did a down money switch back to longies, so a 4 reversal down. This was also tradable. Not bad at all. Euro yen, this was one of my favorites. You remember maybe this from last week. Okay, we had those MTS above the price, so I had a long trade towards there. And guess what? The first one gets taken, boom. And then the second one gets taken, boom. I took tip profit there. One of the best this week, okay? Nice stuff. And later on, I missed that one, but I did a complete MTS move down for our reversal energy. This is really clockwork. Nice. Euro yen also had a down money switch from shorties to longies, so down move, clearing averages after the MTS run. Euro Aussie, that one was a very tricky one. So it had an MTS above the price. I didn't trade that. I traded pound Aussie. We'll come in a minute. So failed reversal scenario because longies came in, so going down, not doing a 4 reversal, but going down. I didn't trade that one, but here this one. I took a long trade towards the OST and MTS. But however, it first went down a bit. I mean, it did an up move and then went down, so I reduced a bit, but I still had long positions, and you see overall the price chart came up a lot, and the market is very empty. So let's see whether I can do next week a long trade, at least to the OST. That one was a bit tricky. Gold, look at that, took the OST with precision, and then what happened then is with an up move against the shorties, the squeeze maxed out, and then we had a down move against the down money longies. Okay, boom. Similar with the silver, first very neutral, went up against the shorties, then went down against the longies later the week. Okay. Bitcoin, so did a very aggressive pullback, but longies kept on buying Bitcoin, so they didn't go for a full reversal, of course. Instead, they had to retest the low. Kaboom. Okay, zack, longies, and they shake them off. So yeah, some great trades. Pound Aussie a little bit tricky, but overall some great trades. We have seen many of the setups, and what you can remember for this week is the combination of for our reversal energy plus M30 1 hour MTS OST all gap zones, etc. Lots of love.